Hey everyone, I hope we're all doing really well. I just wanted to pop on here and ask you guys, how can I help you? What kind of videos do you want to see from me? It can range from any subject or topic. I will be looking and replying to every comment. This is a timeless video, meaning you can comment on the 30th of December 2022 or the 30th of December 2032. I am going to see it. My main priority is helping you and providing as much advice or documenting my journey or anything, like literally anything. What is it that I can provide to you in a video format that is going to help you? Like, don't be shy, whatever it is. I will be reading these comments, replying to these comments, and making a list, checking it twice, and making these videos for you because, again, my main priority is helping you. I love you guys so much, and it brings me like the biggest happiness knowing that I have helped people based off my experience, based off my opinions, based off what has, transpired in my own life. Literally anything, let me know. I would love to hear from you guys. This is a short and sweet video, but yeah, I really want to know. So I will see you in the comments down below. Have a fabulous, fabulous week.